Hey you guys, Esikhomesteddah here. I hope everyone is doing well. It is very hot today. I don't know what the temperature is, but I had a little break, so I came home to sew up my transplants, and I wanted to show you guys, and some of you guys may have done it, but I came up with this really neat idea because when I'm sowing my transplant, I usually travel with a bucket with bags of fertilizer. I usually have my blood meal, my bone meal, and my slow release fertilizer. And I said, you know something, I'm gonna throw my fertilizer in one of my seasoning containers. So I said, this is a great idea. If you like me and sometimes work harder than what you have to, this would be a great idea to empty out your fertilizer into one of these containers. And this one actually has the slow release bone meal, blood meal, and also azomite in it. And I did actually 3 containers like this. And your powder form will settle to the bottom, so all you will have to do is just shake it up and get it out. But for the most part, it'll work very well. So what I'm gonna do is transplant most of my collard greens over here in the radish bed that I just harvested from a couple of weeks ago. And I already amended the soil with some slow release and also some mushroom compost. And I was surprised that I was still able to find transplants. So the transplants are still out there, you guys. Excuse me. So I got 4 trays of collards and 2 trays of broccoli. So I'm gonna do my collards over here, and then I'm probably gonna clean out the raised bed that have some green onions, which I will continue to let those grow, and probably put my broccoli over there, or take my broccoli into the greenhouse where I have some patches. But I did sow some more seeds, so maybe my seeds in there will germinate, because the greenhouse is hot. It's still hot. The bottom line is it's still hot, you guys. So let me get to sewing these transplants up, and I will sprinkle just a little bit of fertilizer amendments in each one of my holes that I create to sow my collard greens. And again, it's an easy peasy project. Everybody said, what the heck is he talking about, how I season my greens? But remember, I told y'all I grow my food the same way I cook in my kitchen. I just throw things in the pot. A lot of times I don't measure things, and I dare go and show don't measure stuff out here. And I'm not even gonna tell y'all no lie, I don't measure. I just take a little handful, sprinkle it in the hole, and then I top dress it, and that's it. I don't go through all that crazy scooping and stuff like that. Okay, so let me get to it, because it is hot and I still got errands to run today. And I'm going to try my best either today or tomorrow to catch this sale that is going around, you guys. Y'all is killing it out there with the fertilizer at Home Depot. Unfortunately, my Home Depot is approximately about 45 minutes to an hour away. So I have Lowe's in my area, but I mean, I could get to the Home Depot. But y'all out there killing it with that daggone fertilizer deal. So I'm going to try to catch it. I'm going to try to catch it today or first thing in the morning. So let me get this bed all sewed up, and I'll show you guys a couple of transplants that I do, and then I'll bring you guys a finished product, a finished look. So I did bring my pillow out here today. So I'm gonna start on this end, you guys. I think you guys could still see me. Yeah, y'all can see me. And my nails is growing, so that's why I'm using my gloves today, because my nails is growing. But I don't know about y'all, but fertilizer in the garden makes my nails grow. And I've heard several women say the same thing about your hands being in the soil and the fertilizer. That does tend to help your nails grow. So again, I'm just gonna pop these out like so. And these are nice and somewhat dry, so they're gonna definitely need a good watering once I get them in the ground, because they're a little bit limpy. See how easy that is, you guys? hoping y'all can see me over here. I'm probably blocking y'all. See what I'm doing? Dig that hole and bounce them in there. I got, okay, that's the broccoli. That's broccoli, that's broccoli. Oh, so what happened was, I think I actually got 4 trays of broccoli and 2 trays of collards. So I'm gonna stick some of them broccolis over here. They say broccoli has to be a certain amount of feet apart, so. Get one of these out. Alright, y'all get the idea, right? So I'm gonna mosey on down, and then I'm gonna try to finish this bed. If not, I'll add the extras in my greenhouse, and I'm gonna wrap it up for today with my gardening, because Esikhomesteddah got more stuff to do. Alright, family, so let me just wrap this up, but I'll show y'all again. Very easy. Dig your hole, drop some in, dig a hole, drop some in, dig a hole, drop some in. And make sure you bury your transplant all the way down, especially if it's a little limpy. Get it as far down as you possibly can, okay? So I'll be right back, you guys. All right, you guys, so y'all can see I got it all sold up, and now I'm gonna add some top fertilizer to it. I'm gonna top it off with some seasoning. All right, you guys, I'm gonna water it in really good with some fish fertilizer, 511. All right, you guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I think you guys can see. Yeah, you guys can see. So again, a little easy peasy video if you want to collaborate or mix all your fertilizers in one container. That will be a go, instead of doing like Essie used to do, travel around the yard with 5 and 6 different bags in the bucket. So another good idea is you can put it in a canister. You can put all your amendments in a canister, your bone meal, blood meal, phosphorus, or your azomite, and your slow release in a canister, and then use a measuring cup and just dip it in your, you know, your little hole that you're gonna put your transplant in, and you'll be good money. But I thought this would be a very fun DIY that you can do. It's easy. You don't have to travel around the whole yard with a bucket, and it's one of them easy peasies. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hey, YouTube family, thank you for hanging with SCK throughout this journey. I am still on this journey, and I hope you are inspired to start your own journey. So thank you for tuning into my channel. Make sure you guys thumbs up, like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. And I will see you guys on the next video. Peace.